China, a land filled with breathtaking landscapes, majestic architecture, delicious food, rich culture, and ancient history. But none of the things that you just saw are in mainland China. They're actually located in the Republic of China right next door, also known as Taiwan. Let's explore this other China. We are here at Shifen Waterfall, also known as the Little Niagara, but you really need to emphasize the word little because comparatively to Niagara, Iguazu Falls, and other waterfalls, it's small, but it is very beautiful. And it's about, what, like 40, 50 minutes outside of Taipei?
Car ride. You can also take the train, and there are other ways to get here. And it's free to enter.
Yes.
It's definitely quieter as soon as they open, which is around 9 a.m. And then all of the tour buses come.
Yeah, like there's a big tour bus that we're trying to get ahead right now. And our goal today is to experience a little bit more of kind of the quiet, traditional side of Taipei. So this is the first of many stops to go. Let's go. Dog right here, she's been following us since like the entrance all the way over here. Obviously I think she wants to get fed, but she's really sweet dog, very skittish. But
it's like scared of the big groups, and then it tries to find us and then keeps following us.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get her some food.
Finally. Oh, what? You don't want it?
No.
Oh, no way.
Oh, good girl.
Yeah.
Well, no, she's eating it,
Oh, good.
She's eating it. She took a second. She's like,
do I
okay, I'll eat it. And just 14 minutes away, we are now here in this very iconic destination, which is the Pingxi district. And it's known for two things: sky lanterns and the train. So this used to be a coal mining village where the train would come through and transport coal. And now it's been converted into more of a tourist attraction. The train still runs and literally runs right on top of the old town, which is super cool. And we're literally on the train tracks with everyone else. So basically, you come here, you get your sky lantern, write your wishes for the new year and choose whatever color that you want, which symbolizes kind of different things. And launch it here on the train tracks. Then when the train starts coming by, the conductor like whistles, everyone get off the tracks, everyone gets off, the train comes through, and then after that everyone gets back on. So it's like super cool experience.
And the whole town is really nice. I mean, there's different shops and food stands. There's more things to do. By far the most popular activity is releasing the lanterns and just, I guess, maybe experiencing the train coming. But we decided not to launch a lantern today. As far as we see, most of them are made out of plastic. So we want to be a little bit more environmentally
I think there's
conscious.
Enough plastic in the world, so we're just enjoying like watching everyone else launch their lanterns. But aside from that, even if you come here, there's a great place to kind of chill and relax, which we're going to be doing before our next and very special destination. So let's go.
Jiufen, this beautiful seaside mountain village that used to be an old gold mining town, but then it was turned completely abandoned until tourism was revived in the 90s, and now it's super popular. You can feel the vibe, it's so lively here. We're like on the main street,
the old street. And there are a bunch of different, like, as you can kind of see, different shops and little restaurants and food here.
Teas,
and as we pulled up and drove up here, which is about, I think, like 45 minutes from Pingxi.
Which is about the same time if you come straight from Taipei as well.
Exactly, so it's not too far from Taipei. And it was really beautiful coming up. You saw a couple of these temples kind of on the mountainside. Once you come up here, you can actually see the sea and ocean below. Beautiful, beautiful village from a distance. And now we're gonna spend some time kind of exploring and then get some tea. So come on, let's go. As we were walking through Jiufen, I've never seen so many tea shops in my life. So tea culture, obviously in Taiwan, is big, but especially here in this area, it seems even more so. So of course, one of the top things that we wanted to do coming here to Taiwan is experience some tea culture. So as you can see, we have this entire setup here because this is a whole process and experience. And we literally have all of our hot water right next to us, boiling in a kettle on some hot coals they prepared for us, which is super cool. We have some oolong tea, which is this fermented, basically tea leaves that have been ripped apart and kind of fermented. They also have all different kinds. Pure tea from China, they have green tea and others, so a ton to choose from. We just asked for the waitress's favorite. She gave us this recommendation. So once you choose your tea, you're gonna actually put your tea here and use your Harry Potter wand to then scoop out into your first cup. What you'll do on your first steep is, because it's the most bitter, is you'll actually discard your first cup here onto what's called your tea pet. And we have a little kitty tea pet here. So these are basically, when you pour it on your tea pet, apparently that brings good luck. And what's really cool, this is especially different for Americans who do drink tea, is that this first tea, this is our first steep, this is good for 6 steeps, right, before moving to your next. So this isn't over, right? We have 5 more, it's just begun. I think that's really cool. So as you can see, yeah, there's a lot in this process, but a really great way to kind of appreciate tea a little bit more. All right, and I have to try this very Taiwanese dessert. I'm a little bit afraid to try, but it's so interesting. I've never heard this before. So it's like a burrito, and inside the burrito, you have like some vanilla ice cream with pieces of peanut and cilantro. So very interesting combination. Literally, like the burrito is like a breakfast burrito type. Like, so anyway, here we go.
我是手很冰啊。头要变好。
Absolutely not. Because sometimes you like mix a few things together and you don't think it would go well, and it does. This is not the case. That's awful. And a little tip is that right at 7, a lot of the shops are closing down, and here at 8 p.m. most are completely shut down. So thought it'd be open a little bit later, but still had an amazing time. This was a gorgeous side of Taiwan. Yeah, it is so close to Taipei, which is crazy. That's what's amazing about Taipei, is having this amazing, developed, beautiful city, and then so much more kind of tranquility and tradition and nature all around. So like, seriously impressed by Taiwan. I want to see so much more.
I know, me too. Have to come back.
Yeah, beautiful, 10 out of 10, way above our expectations. And we hope you enjoy this adventure. And if you like this adventure, then you'll love this video where we go through the actual city of Taipei, which is now one of our favorite cities on planet Earth. God bless you and your family, and look forward to having you on the next one. Until then, bye.